So last year I was messing around with my chainsaw and I cut up a piece of log from a piece of walnut that's been fallen for I don't know how long. But it's been in my basement for almost a year, and when Dominic Bender's ChallengeTree 2016 came around, I decided to turn it into something useful. Well, I think these knobs are going to make these drawers a lot more accessible. So I want to thank Dominic Bender for running ChallengeTree, and I want to thank the sponsors for donating all the prizes, and I want to thank you for watching. And if you've been following me on Twitter, you know that I've been working a lot on my bench, and that video should be coming out soon. I think I'm pretty much finished. So I hope to see you then.